press statements on the invasion of Opu-Nembe community in Nembe local government area of Bayelsa State and subsequent killings and indiscriminate arrest and detention of Opu-Nembe Basambi youths by the Nigerian police. We want to, in the strongest terms, condemn the killing and maiming of innocent citizens in Opu-Nembe, Nembe local government area of Bayelsa State, acting on the behest of individuals bent on destroying the existing peace with the invasion of Opu-Nembe Basambi by men of the Nigerian police force, SWAT, in a Gestapo fashion. What happened at Opu-Nembe community on the 12th of August 2023 is politically motivated and targeted at destroying the peace that the Prosperity Administration led by His Excellency Senator Doyediri has brought to Bayelsa State, which is enjoyed by all. We wish to commend the immediate response of the Bayelsa State government, led by His Excellency Senator Doyediri, to the crisis and the effort to dilute the tension in the affected community. The raid caused death of innocent citizens and indiscriminate arrest and detention of scores of Opu-Nembe Basambi youths who are presently in the custody of the Nigerian police at Abuja. May we also remind the IGP, Inspector General of Police, that a sting operation of such nature carried out in total disregard of existing protocols with regards to the role of the executive governor as the chief security officer of the state within his domain in the clear absence of imminent threat to national security is not only a threat to our democracy but raises questions of the presence of the Joint Security Task Force stationed in the community over the years. We employ the Commission of Inquiry set up in the aftermath of the incident to determine the root cause of the crisis and proffer a permanent solution to these unfortunate incidents in Opu-Nembe Basambi. We want to use this opportunity to call on the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to, as a matter of urgency, empanel a high-powered commission of inquiry on the immediate and remote causes, including the role of the Nigerian police, particularly the SWAT department, their source of funding, and other individuals who played roles in the armed invasion to ensure the perpetrators are fished out and made to face the wrath of the law. This will not only act as deterrent, but also send a message to individuals with selfish agenda, notwithstanding the image of your government and the democratic reputation you have brought into governance. We also want to use this medium to offer our heartfelt condolences to the families of those killed in the unfortunate incident and call all sons and daughters of Nembe Kingdom to please remain calm and allow peace to reign in the kingdom.
And we suspect that the build-up to the next election is the cause of this. And if it is the cause of this, then an investigation would have been done as to fishing out perpetrators of these acts rather than the government force itself promoting what has happened. And that is the essence of the investigation we are calling that should be done. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think we are done. Thank you very much.